Hi, my name is Kyle from FieldAR, and in this video we're going to cover how to set up auto alignment for your 3D model at your job site. By setting up auto alignment, your augmented reality model will automatically snap to the real world whenever someone at your project site scans a QR code target. This is a one-time setup process that you or your BIM manager can handle when you install the QR code targets at your job site. I already have a model loaded into my project in the FieldAR app, and I have my QR code target printed out, so let's get started.
I'll mount the QR target printout in the same corresponding location I've chosen in the model. Since we're going to set up auto alignment, the QR target can be roughly placed on the wall without needing to measure its precise location. With the target mounted to the wall, we can navigate to the project and open the model. From the model menu, let's tap the Manage Anchors button, which will open a special QR code scanner. Then we can scan the target, and we can get the alignment cue to line up with the target as best as we can. Once we hit the Tap to Scan button, our model will load in AR. If we adjust the opacity of our model, you'll notice it's not perfectly aligned at this point, so we will fix that in the next step. Now we can tap the New Anchor button to create our first cloud anchor. The first step is to choose the location in the real world, and it's best practice to scan the area a bit before placing the anchor. We can use the slider at the bottom to adjust the rotation of the anchor to align it to a wall edge. Once it's pretty accurate, tap the Place Anchor button. Step 2 is to choose the same corresponding location in the model. Once we have both our world and model anchor pair set, tap the Next button. Now let's tap the Save Anchor button and save it to the FieldAR cloud. After the anchor has been created, our model should align itself automatically. We can delete anchors by using the Edit Anchors tool. The selected anchor will have a green bubble around it, and we can hit the Trash Can button and confirm with the Delete button. Once the anchor tool is reloaded, our deleted anchor will be gone. I placed a couple cloud anchors so we can test the auto alignment functionality from the main scanner tool. Now the app will automatically recognize any anchors in your space when anyone scans your QR code target, and the AR model will automatically align to the real world.